Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the device is awake and unlocked. Connect to Wi-Fi if you need online access. Once done, return to the home screen using the home button or swipe gesture and take a quick visual scan. You want to notice the dock, primary apps, and any widgets. This helps you decide what to change. Make sure to close a distracting app if needed, because that clears focus and gives you a clean canvas to organize the screen efficiently. You now do the hands-on arrangement. Long press an app until edit mode appears, then drag it to a new spot or the dock for quick access. Once you group similar apps into a folder by dragging one onto another, rename the folder so it's easy to scan. Next, add widgets for weather or calendar. Choose size and placement that don't clutter. Transition between pages to balance items, and make sure the most used apps sit within thumb reach for faster daily use. You finish by reviewing the entire layout. Tap several apps and watch widgets update, ensuring everything responds. Once satisfied, enable any layout lock or take a screenshot to preserve your setup. This prevents accidental moves. If an icon disappears, restart the device first, then check that the app wasn't deleted or hidden. If problems persist, make sure OS updates are installed, because compatibility fixes often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.